it's important to maintain your Bose sound control hearing aids and regularly replace accessories. In this video, we'll help you understand when and how to replace the wax guards. Before we begin, it's important to note that replacement wax guards can be ordered through our partnership with Lexi Hearing. Visit lexihearing.com/Bose accessories to learn more. Wax guards are the little white plastic screens located underneath the ear tips. They protect the speaker from earwax. It is recommended to replace them about every 3 months, or when they have significant earwax buildup, because this can affect audio performance. This is the wax guard replacement tool. One end will have a new wax guard pre-attached. The other end is used to remove the old wax guard from the speaker. Insert the black end of the wax guard tool into the center of the speaker. Angle the tip of the wax guard tool slightly and press against the inside of the wax guard. Then pull the tool out to remove the used wax guard. Next, flip the wax guard tool around so that the new wax guard is facing the speaker. Guide the new wax guard into the speaker until the lip of the wax guard is flush with the speaker. Then remove the wax guard tool by pulling it straight out. Now, just reattach the ear tip. Make sure it's securely attached to the speaker before putting on the hearing aid. Do not wear the hearing aid if the ear tip isn't secure. Otherwise, the ear tip could become stuck in your ear canal. For additional support, visit our website, or to buy replacement accessories, visit Lexi Hearing.